Hello. So here you've got me working super speedy, fast, popping up the stamp using Archival ink. That's Wet Wings there, and on the top, balancing on top of Wet Wings, you've got Tilly or Tango, whichever one it is, of the Mises. You've also got Woodland Fern going on now. Now I'm just going to use this to make a frame at the bottom of the brooch. And I'm just going to put it haphazardly around, working out where I want them to go. It's up to you. But it sort of acts as a nice way of getting a base, if you like. And it adds to the magic of something secret happening, you know, as if Tilly shouldn't really be doing this. Or Tango, whichever one you decide it is. Okay, I'm now going to go on to my words. And I've chosen Live the Life You Love because I think she looks like she's having a jolly good time. So I've worked out where I'm placing them, and Live the Life You Love has gone on. So what do we do now, I hear you ask? Well, colour using Posca Pens and acrylic sprays. So I'm just going to pop my Posca Pens down and push hard so that you get a reservoir of the ink. And I popped it on my craft mat and I'm mixing them with an acrylic spray. So you can see the white has been mixed to make this beautiful sort of forget-me-not blue. And while there's water on the shrink plastic, you can just dot inks about and get this magical effect. So I've gone darker at the bottom and paler at the top. And I'm just adding some more of a darker, different shade of blue. Now that was white acrylic spray I used there. Doesn't matter what you use, whether it's Posca or white acrylic spray. Here we go. That's chartreuse and a little bit of yellow Posca. And what am I going to do now? It's amazing, this. Yellow Posca. And we're just going to pop some yellow Posca in a minute, up and around. Where are we going to do it, Emma? I don't know. Let's have a look. We're going to pop it around the words. There you go. Just because they're important and I want them to be highlighted. So I'm just making sure I haven't missed anything there. Filling in the gaps. More Posca, more white Posca, she says, just adding a little bit around the words again, like clouds in the sky. And I'm going to also dot a few little bits onto the wings. So that they're highlighted a bit. I also do, you can't see it on the video, but I do some dots around the ferns. There you can see them there. And now we're applying heat and shrinking it. Shrink. You beastie. And there we go. Quick iron. But it's missing something, she says. What shall I put on it? I know, I'll add some sparkle with foil. Using a two-way glue pen. Gosh, I'm glad I've got these prompts. Here we go. And I'm just dotting some two-way glue here, there and everywhere because I just want it to be little dots. I heated it up so that it got tacky and then just added the foil on top, and it peels off a bit like a sticker. So I've done teal and then I did a bit of gold, and I'm just obviously not quite happy with it, so I'm doing a bit more. There we go. You apply brooch fixing using glossy accents. I'm so glad I can read. Turned it over, pop the glossy accents on, pop the brooch on, and ta-da! You have a sparkly brooch. You're like amazing. Go ahead, have fun. This is beautiful to wear. Thanks for watching, sweet peas. You take care, and I'll see you soon.